Hello guys, we're back with another question on simultaneous equations, and it says solve the simultaneous equations 2x plus 3y equals 5p and y equals 2x plus p, where p is a constant. And we want to give answers in terms of p in their simplest form. Some people might look at this question and go, what? But there are three unknowns. That's okay. All we want is to work out the values of x and y in terms of p. So let's go through it. So, looking at these equations, we've got 2x plus 3y equals 5p and y equals 2x plus p. Conveniently, we've got 2x in both of these equations. So if I write 2x plus 3y equals 5p, and with this other equation, I'm going to write it as 2x plus p is equal to y. Okay, so I'm going to call this one equation 1 and this one equation 2. And I'm actually going to subtract. So I'm going to do equation 1 take away equation 2. Okay, so 2x take away 2x is nothing. Then I'm left with 3y take away p on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, I've got 5p take away y. Now I've got no x's, which is great. So what I'm going to do is rearrange this to make y the subject. So if I add p to both sides, I get 3y is equal to 6p minus y. That's a funky y, but it's a y. And I'm going to add 4y to both sides. I'm going to add y to both sides, giving me 4y is equal to 6p. So therefore, y is equal to 6p over 4. That simplifies to dividing 6 and 4 by 2 gives me 3p over 2. Now that I've worked out the value of y, I can now quite easily work out the value of x. So if I were to substitute that into here, into this equation, instead of putting y equals 2x plus p, I'm going to put what my value of y was, which was 3p over 2 is equal to 2x plus p. And again, the same thing, I'm going to rearrange to make x the subject. So I'm doing 3p over 2 take away p. So 3p over 2 take away, well, let's put 1p just to understand what's going on. So we're doing 3 over 2 take away 1. So 3 over 2 take away 1. 1 is 2 over 2, which is 1 over 2. So that's a half p is equal to 2x. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So I'm doing a half divided by 2, which is the same thing as a half times, changing that to 2 over 1 becomes 1 over 2. Just doing my division of fractions, a quarter. So I get a quarter p is equal to x. So x is a quarter p, and y is 3 over 2 lots of p, or 3p over 2 is the same thing. But that's it for this question, guys. That is how these kinds of questions work. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.